Let's take a look at this question. It says that aluminum has an atomic number of 13, helium has an atomic number of 2, and silicon has an atomic number of 14. If we have the reaction 27 aluminum plus 4 helium yields 30 Si, what's the missing particle? Well, let's write this in a different form. So I know I have 27 aluminum. So 27 refers to the number of protons and neutrons. And remember that aluminum has 13 protons. So I could actually subtract these two numbers to figure out how many neutrons we have. Similar, 4 to helium is going to yield 30, 14 silicon plus something else. Well, what I'm going to go through is I'm going to look and see what numbers have to match. And I know that the number of protons on this reaction have to add. And I know that the total number of protons and neutrons in this reaction also have to add. So if I know that I'm only having one missing particle, I see that I have 13 and 2 protons, so 15 protons to begin with. And I have a total of 27 and 4, which is 31 protons plus neutrons to begin with. Over here, I'm going to have 15 protons and another 31 protons plus neutrons. Well, right now, I see that I only have 30 protons and neutrons, right? Because I have 30 for the silicon, and I only have 14 protons for the silicon, which means that in order for me to add in an extra particle, this particle needs to have 1 proton, and it needs to have 1 proton slash neutron. I remember that the top number here, the atomic weight, is based off of the protons and neutrons added together. So if I add 1 proton, I gain the 1 proton neutron or neutron together. So it looks like I'm adding 1 proton. Let's just look at this again. I have 13 protons plus 2 protons for a total of 15 protons. Here I have 14 protons plus my 1 proton for 15. That one checks. 27 protons and neutrons plus 4 protons and neutrons. That gives me a total of 31 protons and neutrons. I have 30 protons and neutrons plus, if this is a proton, a helium or a hydrogen atom, hydrogen nucleus, then I gain 1 extra proton. So I have 30 plus the 1. So the particle that I'm looking for, X, is going to be hydrogen 1, 1. I'm adding 1 proton, which gives me 1 proton and 0 neutrons.